Morning student. After studying inserting shapes, after studying inserting object, today we learned about shapes, symbols and special characters. Sometimes we are creating a document in a word processor. We need to insert some shapes, symbols and special character. So today we learned about how to insert the special characters, symbols and shapes. So we can see it here. You can insert objects that have different shapes such as line, basic geometric shapes, arrows, equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars, banners, callout using the shape option. Sometimes we are creating a document and we use to insert some lines, basic geometric shapes, arrows and flowchart shapes, star banners. Some shapes we need to insert in a Word document while preparing our document. So let's start how to insert shapes in our document. So first open a word processor. Just open a word processor, then you get this type of windows. Now click on insert tab. Once you click on insert tab, you get an options of shapes. So just click on the shape button and you find here number of shapes. Different number of shapes are available in word processor. Suppose I want to insert the star, then we select the star button. Once we select the star button, click on left mouse button and drag over here. Once you drag, your star should be appear. You can increase or decrease the size of the star by dragging the mouse button. Click on the left mouse button and then drag it. It will increase or decrease the size of the star. If we want to insert any line, then just or insert any arrow or circle, then select the arrow and then left click the mouse button and drag where you want. You can move the shape or symbol anywhere in a document. Anywhere you can move the symbols in a document. So this is the steps from which we can insert various shapes. If we are preparing a flow chart, then we use to insert flow chart button like this. So there is a different types of shapes or shapes are given at here. Choose which you want to here, and you get some special characters also like copyright, registered, trademark. These all are the special characters and this is the symbols. Choose which symbols you want. Sometimes if we want to write alpha and beta, then choose alpha and click on insert, then here it will be alpha should be written. Sometimes we want to write beta, then click on the beta and then. So this is the steps from which we can insert the shape and symbols into our documents. Thanks for watching.